Essential sales tips for real estate agents. Don't sell. When it comes to real estate, in particular, an agent's job is not to sell. They should facilitate and coach their clients. When someone feels or finds out they have been sold, they are likely to resent the salesperson. Create value. When real estate agents focus on creating value for buyers and sellers, they build trust. This trust can be the single greatest asset in their portfolio. Work hard and be honest. Don't pretend to know all the answers when you don't, because in real estate, your best asset is your reputation. Ensure your clients that you will get the answer and take action. Never, ever lie. Offer multiple options. Be a trusted advisor. By presenting multiple options to a potential client, you can guide them to the best option for them rather than pushing something on them. Be human. Most agent training on sales is about getting the prospect to do what we need. Sign the contract, get the sale. But it's not about that. Agents are fiduciaries, so our ultimate responsibility is to serve the client. Always be willing to help. If you are willing to help people with knowledge, skills, or expertise, you will be the first in mind when they need professional services or as a referral. Your reputation is built by the things you do, not by what you say. Listen and learn. Being a good listener is key to sales success. Listening shows you care, makes it possible to understand what the prospect's true needs and wants are, which then helps how you frame how you can provide a solution. Always respond to your leads immediately. Most buyers lose interest in the property they inquired about online after only 5 minutes from submitting the contact form. The Connect Now lead routing system will notify you about each new lead when they express interest in the property you're selling. Book a demo with Connect Now and contact each interested buyer the moment they want to talk.